Hello students, I is Subhit Karwar. Today we are going to take another topic which is straight line. Now, first of all, what is a straight line? A straight line is a flow of points in a particular direction like this. If we add all these points in a plane in a particular direction, then it is a straight line. Suppose this point, this point, this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. Now these 3 points are on this line, and a straight line is a flow of points in a particular direction. Now first of all, we are talking about slope of a line. So definition of slope of a line: if suppose this x-axis, this y-axis, and a line like this. This line make an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. So here, if theta is the angle made by the line L, suppose this line is line L. So if theta is the angle made by the line L with positive direction of x-axis and measured in anti-clockwise, then the tangent of theta is called the slope or gradient of this line, and it is denoted by m. So here we can say that m is equal to tan theta for the line L. Now here, if L parallel to x-axis, then theta is equal to 0 degree, because of m is equal to tan 0, which is exactly equal to 0. So here the slope of a line which is parallel to x-axis is equal to 0. Similarly, if line L perpendicular to x-axis, then theta is equal to 90 degree. So here m is equal to tan 90 degree, which is not defined. So we can say that slope of y-axis, because of y-axis is a line which is perpendicular to x-axis, so here we can say that slope of y-axis is not defined. Now slope in terms of coordinates of any 2 points of a line. Now how can we find? Suppose this is a line. Now we know about the 2 points of this line like this. Suppose this point is point P, and the coordinates of point P are x and y, and suppose this point is point Q, and the coordinates of these points are x2, y2. Let these are x1, y1. The coordinate of point P are x1, y1, and the coordinates of point Q are x2, y2. Now if we want to find the slope of this line, suppose it is the angle theta. Now draw a line parallel to y-axis from point Q, and draw a line parallel to x-axis from the point P. Now this angle is 90 degree. Now suppose this point is point N. Now here Pn is equal to x2 minus x1 and Qn is equal to y2 minus y1. So tan theta is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to the slope. Because of we know that tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base, because of PQN is a right triangle. So here slope is equal to tan theta, and which is further equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So if we are given the coordinates of 2 points on on the line, then we can find the slope of this line using this formula. Suppose we have to find the slope of the line passing through 2 points, point A 1, 6 and point B minus 4, 2. Now we have to find the slope of the line which are passing through point A and point B. So here suppose x1 y1 is equal to 1, 6 and x2 y2 is equal to minus 4, 2. Now here we can apply the formula, which is slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, which is equal to 2 minus 6, because of y2 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 6. So 2 minus 6 upon minus 4 minus 1, because of x1 is equal to minus 4, x2 is equal to minus 4 and minus x1, which is equal to 1. Further, which is equal to minus 4 upon minus 5, which is equal to 4 by 5. So here we can say that slope of this line which are passing through the points 1, 6 and minus 4, 2 is 4 by 5. Now conditions of line in terms of their slopes. Condition of lines in terms of their slope. First condition is parallel. If the lines are parallel, if we are given two lines which are parallel, then what will be the condition for the parallel line? Suppose x-axis and y-axis in two lines like this which are parallel to each other. Suppose this line is L1, this line is L2, this angle is alpha and this angle is beta. So here if L1 and L2 are two lines and M1 and M2 are the slope of these lines respectively, which means M1 is the slope of line L and M2 is the slope of line L2, then they are parallel if and only if they are parallel. They are parallel if and only if M1 is exactly equal to M2, or we can say here alpha is equal to beta. So it is a condition that two lines are parallel. If their slopes are equal, then we can say these two lines are parallel lines. Now the second condition is perpendicular. Suppose these are x-axis and y-axis. Now two lines like this. Suppose this angle is 90 degree and two lines, line L1 and line L2, and this angle is 90 degrees. Suppose this angle is beta and this angle is alpha. Now in triangle, suppose this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. Now in triangle ABC, alpha is equal to 90 plus beta, because of alpha is the exterior angle of this triangle. So here we can say it is the sum of opposite interior angle. Now suppose here m1 is the slope of line L1, so it is equal to tan alpha, and m2 is the slope of line L2, which is equal to tan beta. Now m1 is equal to tan 90 minus beta, because of we know that the value of alpha is equal to 90 plus beta, 90 plus beta. So here m1 is equal to minus cot beta. So now m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 upon tan beta, because of we can write cot beta as minus 1 upon tan beta into the m2 is equal to tan beta. So here we can see that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So here we can say that if L1 and L2 are perpendicular, L1 perpendicular to L2, if and only if product of their slopes is 1, the condition m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, then we can say these two lines are perpendicular. Now the next is angle between two lines. How can we find the angle between two lines? Angle between two given lines. Suppose these are two lines, line L1 and line L2, x-axis and y-axis. So here we can see that there are two angles between them. Suppose this angle is equal to theta and this angle is equal to phi. Now suppose slopes are beta and alpha. Now here let L1 and L2 be two lines with slope m1 and m2. The slope m1 and m2. So here m1 is equal to tan alpha and m2 is equal to tan beta, because of this the line L1 has the slope m1 and the line L2 has the slope m2. Now theta and phi be the adjacent angle between L1 and L2, because of theta and phi are the adjacent angle. Now here we can see that theta is equal to 180 minus beta plus alpha, because of theta is the exterior angle of this triangle. Now here it is the sum of opposite two interior angles. So here theta is equal to 180 minus beta plus alpha. Now if we want to find tan theta, which is equal to tan 180 plus alpha minus beta. Now tan theta is equal to tan alpha minus beta. Further, which is equal to, we can apply the formula of tan A minus B. So here tan alpha minus beta is equal to tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. So here we know that tan alpha is equal to m1, tan beta is equal to m2, 1 plus tan alpha is equal to m1, tan beta is equal to m2. So it is equal to m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. Here a necessary condition is 1 plus m1 m2 should not be equal to 0. Now we can find the tan phi also. Tan phi is equal to tan 180 minus theta. Because of phi and theta are adjacent angles or linear pairs, so we can say tan phi is equal to tan 180 minus theta, which is equal to minus tan theta, and further which is equal to m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So here between theta and phi, one of the angle is acute. Between theta and phi, one of the angle is acute and the other is obtuse. So here we can make a formula for tan theta, which is equal to tan theta, which is equal to mod of m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2, and the necessary condition is 1 plus m1 m2 should not be equal to 0. So how can we find the angle between two lines? If you want to find the angle between two lines and the angle is theta, then this formula, with the help of this formula, we can find the angle between two lines. Now, for example, if the angle between two lines is pi by 4, suppose angle between two lines is pi by 4 and slope of one of the lines is L1, sorry, and the slope of one of the lines is 1 by 2. Suppose there are two lines L1 and L2. Slope of L1 is m1 and slope of L2 is m2, and we are given m1 is equal to 1 by 2, and the angle between these two lines, suppose angle between these two lines in theta, so theta is equal to pi by 4 we are given. So now find the slope of other line. So here find the slope of other line m2. Now we have to find the value of m2. Now here we know that tan theta is equal to mod m2 minus m1 upon 1 plus m1 m2. So we can put the value of these tan pi by 4, which is equal to, we have to find the m2 minus 1 by 2 upon 1 plus m2 by 2. Now after solving this, 1 is equal to 2m1 minus 1 upon m2 plus 2. Now here two cases we can make, two cases. First case first in which m2 plus 2, which is equal to 2m2 minus 1. So in this case m2 is equal to 3, and the case 2 is m2 plus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2m2. So here m2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So according to these two cases, we can find the slope of m1, slope of m2,